What do you have?
This is for Daddy.
Really?
Yeah. No, this is for Daddy.
Open it.
Wait, I think this is the same thing as my clothes.
Open it, Chacha. How many? 2?
Just 2, yeah.
Okay, open it. Open it. The other side.
Where?
The other side in the back. In the bottom. Yeah.
I think it's for me or Attic or something. Yeah, it's for me.
Yeah, leggings.
I don't know, it's for Attic.
Leggings with the
Clothes.
tops. Let me show us. Show me.
I already have one of those.
Is that?
Huh?
Show me the baju. Yeah, you have one of those, but it's a small size. Now we buy a bigger size, like your size. This look cute. It's one black and one white. Yeah. Okay, open the other one.
And I think this one is for Daddy.
Let's check it out later.
Or for Addy. This is the same thing.
Yes. Cause
I
it
like
looks...
this one.
You like it?
Yeah, same thing.
Just
It's twins, Mommy. This is the white one.
Okay. Fold it again. Duduk yang mana sih? And the second package.
This is the second package, and we see what is inside.
Yeah. Yeah. Oops.
Trying to be careful with this one. This is the second one for me.
What color?
Red. This is
Okay,
my-
tell us, Chacha, this is the second package.
This is the second package of my clothes,
And what color?
and this is red.
Okay. I think you need scissors for that.
No, they have 15.
Oh, yeah? Oh. I thought you did.
I think I need a scissors too, but not.
Oh. Do you like it? It's so pretty. It's all the same, just different color, huh? Let me see. But the bottom's all the same.
I mean, the
Leggings.
pants, but the shirt is different.
Yeah.
Same pocket though.
Let me see. It has pocket.
Yes.
Show me. Like this.
I mean, only just clothes. This one. Only just certain not pants.
Okay. Does it come with the price or no? The tag price? No?
What do you mean?
The price on
Right.
the tags.
Mm,
What size? Does Daddy get you the right size?
I don't know.
Usually come with the size in the...
Oh yeah, wait. Why they got 130?
I think because it's not product from here. It's from other country. Maybe. Okay, show me one by one, Chacha.
This is the white one. Same thing's the one I have. But it's different sizes.
Okay.
I think I like the video.
You do? The second one?
Is the color red.
Okay. And the third one?
Is the black one.
Okay. Are you excited to wear it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, and you have red shoes.
Oh, yeah. Wait, do I have... Oh, yeah, I have red shoes. But my shoes is not fit.
We can exchange it. Because we bought...
But it's 13 size, though.
Yeah, 13 size and...
Wait, I'm medium or large or small?
This one probably medium.
No, I mean the shoes.
The shoes, it doesn't have medium. It said number, like 12, 13, like that. After that one. Okay.
And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye, guys. Love you.